guys, welcome to Purplle, हर Indian का beauty destination. I'm Mohana and I'm so excited that we're back with Dr. Roopa in the studio today.
Hi guys, and this is Dr. Roopa Raote and I am a dermatologist and a trichologist and I'm so glad to be back.
So today हमारा topic of discussion है serums and हम serums के बारे में सब कुछ ही आज आपको बताने वाले हैं.
So let's get started then.
तो हम सबसे पहले basics से शुरुआत करते हैं. Exactly what is a serum?
सो सीरम एक मैजिक पोशन की तरह होता है, सबसे कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होता है वो. सो हमारे पास बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन द मार्केट, लाइक वी हैव फेस वॉशेस, वी हैव मॉइस्चराइजर्स, टोनर, सीरम्स. तो सीरम में सबसे ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रेजेंट होता है, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है.
So we could say that serum is like at the top of the skincare food chain.
Yes, exactly.
क्या सीरम एक essential है and in what order should we apply it?
सीरम इज एसेंशियल, लाइक इफ यू वांट ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स तो सबसे पोटेंट फॉर्म ही सबसे ज़्यादा हमें रिजल्ट्स देगा. देयर आर डिफरेंट सीरम्स और हर एक सीरम को लगाने का वक्त अलग होता है. सो सम सीरम्स यू हैव टू अप्लाई ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड सम ड्यूरिंग द नाइट.
So it's sort of based on the ingredients that are in the serum?
Some are basically photosensitive कि sunlight गिरने पे वो react करते हैं, तो we have to use that accordingly in the AM or in the PM.
So our next question is, सबसे beginner friendly serum कौन सा है?
Basically, you can start with vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, and it is also a very great antioxidant. So it will also protect you against the sun. और तुम उसे सुबह भी यूज कर सकते हो और शाम में भी यूज कर सकते हो.
But मैंने ऐसा भी सुना है that you're not supposed to use vitamin C in the morning?
No, actually that's a very big myth that you are not supposed to use it in the morning. तुम उसे सुबह यूज कर सकते हो. इनफैक्ट अगर तुम उसको यूज करोगे और फिर सनस्क्रीन यूज करोगे तो इट विल गिव डुअल प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट द सन.
That's noted now.
It's also very powerful antioxidant, so it will also protect against the free radical damage.
But सबसे ज़्यादा सबने सुना है उसके brightening properties के बारे में and gives a nice glow to your face.
Yeah, if your skin is very young, you're sensitive, so you can start with vitamin C.
Right.
It's a great product to start with, but it's a very mild exfoliant. So आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि आपकी स्किन पील हो रही है और आपकी स्किन पील भी हो जाएगी.
So vitamin C is a great product and it is the best one to start with. So I have personally been using this vitamin C serum from Care. It's called Bright Side Up. Honestly very lightweight. अभी आपको मैं swatch करके दिखाती हूँ. It has like a slight color to it also and it doesn't feel sticky at all when you apply it. So I have really been loving this product.
So there's one thing about vitamin C is that you should not use the vitamin C's that are there in transparent bottle.
Oh, why is that?
Because actually they oxidize very soon, and once they oxidize, it's of completely useless. It's of no use. So better like use vitamin C's that are present in brown bottles or opaque bottles
ones.
like these. So another ingredient that is very good for beginners is hyaluronic acid, जो आप सुबह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो और शाम में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो और ये ड्राई स्किन वाले लोग भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ऑयली स्किन वाले भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये आपको ब्रेकआउट भी नहीं करेगा.
I thought this is only for dry skin.
Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient which is present naturally in everyone's skin, but you can also apply it topically if you are lacking that amount of hydration. Yeah, right, you use the right word.
I am also learning skincare, guys, a lot.
Great for hydrating your skin, but it is a humectant, so it will pull out the moisture or the hydration from your skin if your skin is really very dry. So you need to prep your skin well and apply some amount of something beneath, like that is water based
Toner या
exactly. जैसे एक toner will act as a very good base for applying hyaluronic acid.
If someone doesn't have like a toner essence, can you just apply it maybe if your skin is wet with water?
Like if it's not completely dry, if it's still a bit wet, तो तुम उसके ऊपर से भी hyaluronic acid लगा सकते हो.
I had recently got a face peel done with, and my skin was like peeling off ऐसे वो layers में जब निकलती है, and then I started using hyaluronic acid and then I had got like a clean surface.
Yeah. So you can also again top it off with any moisturizer if you have. If you have a ceramide based moisturizer, that would be even much better.
I wanted to talk about this Loreal Revitalift hyaluronic acid serum because this has 1.5%. It's very lightweight. Stop it from falling on the couch and it doesn't feel sticky and काफी ऐसे quick absorbing भी है ये. So you usually pair this up with like a ceramide moisturizer?
Yeah, mostly during the night especially.
Okay. So guys, hyaluronic acid and ceramide moisturizer एक match made in heaven जैसे है. So our next question is that my skin is dull in certain patches, तो उसे brighten करने के लिए perfect ingredient क्या है?
So glycolic acid is the star ingredient for brightening your face. I am personally a very big fan of glycolic acid, but again for beginners you have to be very careful with it और सबसे कम concentration से ही चालू करना है, otherwise it can cause a lot of damage.
So what are some do's and don'ts of using glycolic acid?
Especially for beginners, it's better if you start at night and then top it off with some moisturizer if that's possible. And again, if you're using it during the day, for example, use very lower concentrations and then top it off with a sunscreen.
So ये आपकी skin को sun से ज़्यादा sensitive कर देता है?
Especially for people जिनकी skin already बहुत sensitive है, वो आपको और sensitive कर देगा, तो बहुत cautiously use करना है.
With sunscreen always. So again, starting from a lower percentage, I have this Loreal Glycolic Bright 1% Glycolic Acid Serum. This particular range of Loreal serums has been very good. तो इसका अभी हमने hyaluronic acid भी देखा. So this one also is really nice. So I want to know, this is a little bit opaque. So is this like generally the case with glycolic acid serums?
They are present in different concentrations. This is a very good texture, I feel.
Yeah.
Let me also try it.
Definitely. You will get an idea of its texture.
Yeah, this is good. This is not even that strong.
Yeah, doesn't feel heavy.
It's 1%. I think you can start with 1%. If you're using a concentration which is more than 1%, I feel that you should always consult a dermat first and only then use it. Otherwise, you will get sunburn.
So these are all the different serums जो आप अपने अलग अलग skin types के लिए use कर सकते हो. But always remember, जो भी हमने precautions and do's and don'ts mention किए हैं, follow those whenever you start using any new serum.
Also guys, don't overdo with the serums. I'm telling you this again and again. And if you have any doubts regarding skincare, you can always ask them in the comment section.
We are here to answer any of your questions, and until our next beauty breakdown, we Purplle you how to reduce wrinkles and make your skin look younger with serums.
Serum for anti-aging is retinol.
मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है retinol से.
मैं खुद उससे burn हो गई थी because I forgot to apply sunscreen after that.
What is the best serum for constant acne?
Basically, niacinamide will also act on your acne.
Is Dream Skin by Glamorous, and इसका one of the main ingredients in this is bakuchiol.